Did you know? A mysterious fish that looks like a snake and is active at night is quietly stirring up a new wave in global aquaculture. It's the eel. Eel meat is delicate and rich in fat, known for its delicious taste and nutritional value. It has earned the reputation of being gold in the water worldwide, especially in places like China, Japan, and Taiwan. It is not only a regular feature on upscale dining tables, but also a star product in export markets. Currently, the annual output value of eel farming exceeds several $billion, with Asia accounting for the vast majority of global production. As one of the major producers, China is accelerating its transformation from traditional farming to intelligent and efficient methods. However, unlike most farmed fish, eels are migratory and extremely difficult to breed. Presently, global eel farming still heavily relies on glass eels, juvenile eels caught in the wild, as seedlings. These young eels are usually caught near estuaries and then transported to farms for fattening. Although this method can meet massive market demand, it has raised concerns about overfishing of wild eel populations. To reduce reliance on natural resources and alleviate environmental pressure, advanced eel farms are gradually adopting RAS, recirculating aquaculture systems. These systems filter and treat water efficiently, allowing reuse and saving up to 85% of water. More importantly, RAS systems provide a stable environment in terms of temperature, oxygen levels, and pH, ensuring optimal growth conditions for eels. Eel farming requires extremely strict environmental control. Water temperatures must be maintained between 22 degrees C and 28 degrees C. Any deviation can affect feeding and immune function. Additionally, eels are naturally aggressive, especially when hungry or overcrowded, which can lead to cannibalism. Therefore, farmers must regularly separate and grade the eels, and use smart feeding systems to distribute food precisely so that each eel gets enough to eat. In terms of feed, eels primarily consume high-protein animal-based feed such as fish meal and shrimp meal, sometimes supplemented with plant-based proteins to improve feed conversion rates. Modern farms use automated feeding systems coupled with AI analysis, adjusting feeding strategies based on eel activity and consumption data. From the time they enter the farm until they are ready for consumption, eels typically require 6 to 12 months, during which they undergo several rounds of grading and weight monitoring. Once they reach the ideal weight, usually 150 to 300 grams, they are harvested. After harvest, eels are graded by size and vitality, then sent to processing plants for cleaning, bleeding, deboning, cutting, and packaging before being quick frozen to ensure freshness during transport. This entire process adheres to international food safety standards and is integrated with blockchain traceability systems to ensure full transparency from farm to table. Nutritionally, eel is rich in high-quality protein, unsaturated fatty acids, and vitamins A and D, making it a functional food that supports cardiovascular health and strengthens the immune system. Today, eel farming is no longer just an agricultural project. It's a fusion of technology, cuisine, and culture. It carries a commitment to sustainability and shapes the new trends on global dining tables. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. In the next episode, we'll explore more amazing wonders of the agricultural world. See you next time.